client Justin's beautiful M5 over here. Not beautiful yet, but in any case, 20 years of abuse going around on the car, but luckily it's the right place. So tonight I'm going to take you guys through the basics of detailing, and we'll go into more detail as we go along. And hopefully we're going to teach you a thing or two. Just on the start off over here, we've got a few bad scratches over here. There's examples here of bad polishing going on. There's some parquet damages, some stains in the paint of who knows what. But it's alright. We've got a 20-year-old car, from 20-year-old scratches up until scratches that apparently happened today from bad washing a few hours ago. So let's go through it and let me take you through the process and see what we can do about it. Okay guys, so we're busy prepping for the polishing and the paint correction. So before any polish job, we need to do a test spot. Different paints react differently, so we need to determine what pads will we use, what polishes will we use. And I'm going to start off by explaining a bit more about the machines. Okay, so over here it's my baby. This one is the scratch eater. Okay, so basically you guys are more familiar with the normal rotary polisher that you see with all your panel beaters and all of that. So basically the difference from your normal rotary machine and the DA machine, your rotary polisher you only have a rotating action. Okay, so that creates much more heat spots on sharp beads. It's just overall a much more dangerous polisher to use. So this one is a DA polisher. The reason for DA, dual action. So it's got your rotating action and at the same time it's got an orbital action like you can see over there. So as soon as you start pushing this polisher a bit more with pressure when you put it into a bend, it stops rotating and you can only see it's orbiting. So it's much more safer and it gives you a much better finish. You'll hardly see any buff trails because of the dual action effect. I'm going to take you through to the different polishes now. So over here is an awesome brand. It's CarPro. That is my brand. We authorize CarPro Detailer. So this is the brand new product called Clear Cut. Awesome cutting power, awesome finish. You can basically do a one stage depending on your defects, what you want to do and what the outcome must be. Okay, so then you can go on to something like rupees. You've also got other products like Benzerna. Just basically the difference between the two polishes. Some of the polishes it's got the particles break up. As you start polishing, the particles break up and they give you a much better finish. Where if you have a look at something like McGuire's 101, the particles don't break up. You start off and whenever you feel you've polished enough, you just stop right there, you wipe it off and that's your finish. So basically here we're going to do a small test spot over here. And what I've got in mind, my one combo will be a microfiber pad like this, and I'm going to use it with CarPro Clear Cut. I think this is going to be the #1 choice. And then I also like to try some Shaw S20. This is also gives you a good finish with a good cut, so it's basically also a one stage polish. So just to give you a quick little bit of info on the pads, the density of the pads is different. That affects your cutting power, your finishing power, the gloss you get out of it. So over here we've got a Shine Mate pad. This is quite a firm pad, so you'll use this for cutting. And then over here you've got your Rupees finishing pad. It's soft. If you feel it, it's much more dense and it's much softer. So this you'll use to finish off. So we're going to do a two-stage over here. So in the first stage we'll be cutting because we've got some serious defects over here. And then we'll be refining it with a lighter polish, softer pad, and then you should get that awesome gloss. Okay, so we're about to start our test spot over here. I'd like to introduce you guys to Fadley. You can regard him as a professional detailer. He started off with me. From day one he's been on my side. These days he's teaching me a thing or two. So we're going to let him do his thing and see what we can do about this bad paint job. Justin, so we've basically done a 50-50 over here. As you saw it yourself, I think we've got like a 98% correction factor over here. What worked the best was clear cut on a microfiber. That's just to show you again, awesome technology, new polish, very well finished off, and also gave me a very aggressive cut, if I can put it that way. So for little effort, fantastic finish, and I think that's the way to go. So we're going to hit the rest of the car with the same combo, and then we'll see what we get out of it.
Alright guys, so I am here at Detailing Works, and my BMW has come for some special treatment. It's detailing, so that's what's happened. We've kind of removed most of the scratches. I'd say about 90% of all the scratches have been removed through a very time-consuming, tedious process. I did the lights, which is quite cool. Feel like I've participated. Right now though, we are going to be washing the car. So we're going to be using a special kind of soap and like a degreaser kind of thing, just to remove all unwanted sediments, all unwanted composites on the paintwork, so that it can be primed for shiny polish. So that's what we're going to do. It's a massive process, and yeah, we're going to foam it down, wash it, get in everywhere, remove all the dust laid behind by the previous processes. Yeah, so enjoy. Alright guys, so we are going to be foaming the car now, and I have it right here, so let's go. So as you saw, we cleaned everywhere. We cleaned underneath the car, took the wheels off, sprayed all this really strong degreaser, which cleaned out everything and made everything that should be silver silver, and made everything that should be black black. The car is looking fantastic. What we've decided to do though is not polish it, but put a ceramic coating on it. And as you saw from the bonnet that has been done, the ceramic coating is fantastic. The water just rolls off, leaving a dry surface. I was shocked. The surface isn't even wet. So we're going to do the whole car in that, and it is going to be absolutely amazing. Next is we're going to put the seats in and finish up some trim levels before this baby heads off to Kyalami for the new BMW M5 launch. BMW South Africa has asked me to use the car there, and this is why I'm getting it ready, because it kind of was ready in a way, but I wasn't happy with it. And then the more I looked at it, the more issues I discovered. So when I bought it here, these guys really pointed out that it was really in bad and poor condition. Right now though, it is looking as close to new as possible. The rims have been redone. The seats are getting redone by Color Glow, so check them out. The car is here at Detailing Works, so check them out all on Facebook. And yeah, I am so blown away by the results so far. It is amazing. Like the paint looks thick and new. That's the thing. Like the car looks so new, especially the headlights, which I polished. They are probably like the standout feature on the car. I'm just joking. The whole thing is absolutely amazing. So I cannot wait to show you guys what this car is going to look like at Kyalami. Alright guys, so I am at Color Glow here in Sandton, and they are going to fix my car seats. The seats are really bad, like they are torn and yeah, struggling to find the right color. I've been hunting for the right leather and someone to do this for about 6 or 7 months. They say 3 days, 3 or 4 days to fix all of this. Let's see. They're right here in Sandton. Link is in the bio, so yeah. Have a look if you have anything that you need fixing. Couches, your car seats, you want to change the leather, they can paint it, the leather, it's weird, they do magic here at this place. They also polish your car, as you can see over there. They polish your car, get everything sorted, so interior and exterior is sorted right here at Color Glow in Sandton. Alright guys, I'm back at Color Glow and they have fixed my seats. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous because we struggled to find the leather and but they assured me that the color is right. So let's go and have a look at the seats and see what's what. Okay, so these are the seats over here and they look brand new. Look at this. Wow. I mean, this was completely torn and it is fixed up now. Look at the color. It's perfect, absolutely perfect. Guys, Color Glow here in Sandton, in South Africa. I mean, absolutely amazing. I'm blown away, really. I mean, these look brand new. They look, these are like insane. Okay, guys, I'm here with Sarah from Color Glow, and you are going to tell me now what you did to these seats. And apparently, they were the worst that they've ever had here. So, I mean, you'd never say they look brand new.
Yeah, well, what we did is, because they had cracks on them, we've got a filler that we have at Color Glow. We applied that filler, and then we matched the dye that was there and sprayed on top of them.
So even if it's not just fixing a seat, like let's say I have a color that I don't really like, I can come to you and change the whole color.
Yes, we repair and we re-dye. We can change color as well. We can match the color that is in the car, or you can come and choose another color that you want to put on your seats.
Right guys, that is fantastic. Sarah, guys, thank you so much for, I mean, they look brand new. I'm so emotional. They look so good. They've been so bad for so long, and I would get embarrassed by them, but I just never had the time to get them fixed, and you guys did an amazing job in like 4 days. So, great job. It feels so new. I'm so excited. So let's load them up and take them back to the car, which is quite far away. Guys, Color Glow, thank you so much. I love you guys. You are awesome. Guys, look at them on the internet and everything. If you've got issues with your seats, or if you just want to change the color of your seat, bring it here and get it done. Okay guys, so I am back at Detailing Works with the seats, and as you can see, the car is there, the front bumper is on and it looks good. New spotlights are in. It's on charge because the battery's flat, but that's cool. Just busy assembling the seats now, and Ilandre is in it, doing his thing. The car has come out beyond expectation. Really, it is completely changed everything. Like, I stand here looking at it and it might as well be January of 2000 when this thing was on the floor. It's super clean. Other things, yeah, we just got to fit the bumper properly and put the seats in, connect everything up and do some more interior polishing before it is 100%. So there we go, there's the bumper, which we need to polish. Lights are done, engine is clean, Interior is clean. Seats are beautiful. Ah, this thing is looking so freaking good. It's it's very close to being brand new. Yeah, I feel, I can't actually explain how I feel. It's quite emotional, really. This whole process of getting this car in the condition that it was in a really poor condition. The paintwork was horrible. Some bad touch-ups, some bad polishing, as you guys saw. All the scratches. Yeah, and I mean, in a little under a month, we have completely transformed this car. It's amazing how everybody has come together and just done what they love doing, and that is restoring cars to how they should be. And this is the result. This is a 20-year-old car. Looking at it here, I'd swear it's a couple of hours old. Seriously. Alright guys, so it has been an incredible journey with the car. It is here at Car Army for the new BMW M5 launch. They're going to use it as a display car, and yeah, I just want to thank everybody that has been involved, that got this thing ready for this event. I want to thank Detailing Works, Color Glow, Trident, everybody that just was there getting this car ready for this event. It has been one hectic achievement and journey, really. We had 26 days to get this car from all banged up and scratched up and really bad interior to looking the way it looks now. Everything has been done. The paint has been corrected, ceramic coated, rims have been redone, the interior completely, the two front seats redone, interior trim polished, cleaned. It's been absolutely wild, but the car is looking better than ever. So guys, thank you so much. And yeah, there it is. My pride and joy.